Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super simple cornbread recipe for you. This is literally as easy as it gets. So without further ado, let's just jump right in and I hope you enjoy this recipe. We're gonna start with a 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of butter. And normally I double this recipe, but I knew I was the only one who was going to be eating this cornbread, so I just did half the recipe. And then I went in with 1 egg and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This is the one thing that I left the same whether I doubled it or not. And then I'm going to go in with a cup of flour and a cup of cornmeal. And then we are going to go in with about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just eyeball it, it's totally fine. And then we're going to go in with 1/2 cup of milk. And just go ahead, take your handheld mixer and mix away. Here I have a standard loaf pan. We're going to go ahead and put in some parchment paper. It doesn't really matter if it goes up the sides of the small edge, you just really want it on the base and up the sides that are the longest. And I just measured it out and then put it in there. Now I'm going to go in with my cornbread mixture, and we're just going to ladle, spatula, nope, just put it all in there, and then spread it out so it's nice and smooth. And then we're going to put this in the oven at 350 until a fork comes out nice and clean. You want to check this after about 15 minutes. This is going to cook really fast because we are doing half of the recipe. And after all that, you are done. I told you this is the simplest recipe. It's so quick and easy, but it's tasty, so it's perfect. And then I hope you guys liked this recipe. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload, and comment below for what you want to see next time. And until next time guys, bye!